So got this thing up on the jacks.
Damn, look at these big ass meats, boy.
Oh, we got a problem, guys.
And this is what it's all about. Just you, yourself, and your car. Enjoy some ASMR of a 13B with a single turbo. Let's go!
Alright guys, so that was fun back at the parking lot. First time actually taking that car out for a long, solid drive. I think we drove 80 miles and no problems, so that's good. And then right now we gotta switch gears, focus on this thing, because I think the starter is dead, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. Alright, so let's hop in here. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what a dead starter, or I should say a dying starter. It's not completely dead, but it's not starting the car. So this is how you know if you have a dead or about to die starter. You see how it's struggling to turn over? Most of the time it's not the starter, it's actually the battery, but I just checked and with a voltmeter and it's reading 12.5. And all the terminals are tight and secured, nothing's loose. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna jack this car up so you guys will be able to see underneath this thing and then replace the starter. Pretty simple. All right, so got this thing up on the jacks. Got the jack itself, you know, just in case. And let's go check it out under there.
Damn, look at these big ass meats, boy. 315, I think. Is it a 315? Yes, 315. On a little bus. Alright guys, let's see what it looks like down here. So before we get into it, very simple and clean setup. Love this exhaust system made by A1 Exhausts out in Orange County. And guys, this is pretty much, you know, the most basic you can get in a car. It's literally transmission, engine. Oh shit, there's a leak. Transmission, engine, and that's it. No air conditioning, no other stuff. Pretty damn simple. So let's get to the starter. Damn. What the hell happened to the subframe? The f***? I must have slapped a freaking bump on the road or something. Jeez. Alright. Christ. There's the starter. Damn, it looks new too. What the hell? Have you guys ever bought a new starter or new alternator and then it just didn't work out? Because I remember before this thing was even wide bodied, the starter never sounded strong. So, but anyway guys, we're gonna take this thing out, gotta replace it. First, make sure everything's tight. Make sure there's no loose stuff, because that could be the problem. Everything looks tight though. Also, here's another pointer guys. Okay, so whenever you're dealing with, you know, taking apart something with a lot of wires, what I like to do is you either get a zip tie or a piece of tape, and then you see how, like for example, all these positives here are going into one terminal. Tape or zip tie all these together so you know when you are putting it back together that it goes in the same spot. So I'll zip tie or tape all these together and all these negatives right here.
Oh, we got a problem guys. So I'm gonna show you something right here, but whoever the hell put on the starter said, you know what? If this breaks, I'm gonna make it absolutely impossible for the next person to take it out. I'll show you what I mean. Would any of you guys like to tell me what this bolt is called right here? What kind of tool you use to take out that bolt? Yet alone, you know, right there is a firewall. Dude, how do you take that out? What the hell? You know what guys? I just thought of something. What if it's out of gas? That fucking starter's not coming out right now. That bolt. I honestly don't know. You can't get a tool in there because it's right against the firewall, and I'm literally reaching over the transmission, so that's not gonna happen. You can't even get a vice grip in there. So I mean, if it doesn't have gas, that kind of explains a lot, and we could always just push start it. Might as well try. All right, let's fill her up with gas. Let's hope for the best. Cross your fingers, fool. Please work, please work. Let's see, will it work? So it'll prime itself a little bit. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Damn. How the hell am I gonna get that to work? I give up today, guys. That's one thing I have learned through working on cars, is sometimes when you get frustrated, you could make a bad situation even worse. So I'm just gonna forget about this one for today, deal with it later, and now I'm gonna, I don't know, go clean that car. So until next time, guys, have a good one. Just up Cascade Flannel, and I'll see you later.